Hi, this is Jason Ahrens, and today I'm going to give a quick overview of Cisco Prime Collaboration. This is the old product that used to be called Unified Provisioning Manager. Remember, we had Provisioning Manager, Operations Manager, we had a lot of old products. So the Prime is kind of a family of products, and really this is the provisioning. And I think I've got the free 60-day evaluation license for analytics as well, where we can set up fake phones and pretend to make phone calls and measure iOS SLA agreements and stuff like that. So let's take a look at the Prime Collaboration Provisioning Manager here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run the Getting Started wizard. Again, I haven't touched this in a long time, so let's take a look. So it is very important. You have to have a supported version of Internet Explorer 9, 10, and some older version of Firefox is supported. This doesn't say whether it's the platform or whether it's the OS. So it's a test connection. I'm not certain which one they're looking for. All right, that's happy. I actually created a user without a mailbox. Interesting. That doesn't want the OS, but it does for Unity. My pilot number is 4000. We don't have unified messaging, so let's hit test. It's Unity connection 10.5.1, call manager 10.5.1, and Prime collaboration provisioning 10.5.1. Just thinking about it. So this is 1.5 minutes, but it's actually been longer than that. I've been pausing and resuming the recording, and it's or if that's supposed to be 15 minutes, because that sure has taken a long time. Definitely taken it a while. Wow, it's been like 8, 9 minutes already. So I'm pausing the recording, so you're not watching nothing. Now we're going on approximately 10 minutes. Okay, so after roughly 15 minutes or so, the screen just automatically logged me out. I'm back at the login splash screen. So we'll put the password back in and log back in and see what's going on. I can't seem to remember the difference between these global admin, admin. There's too many usernames and passwords. Did it add it? I don't know that the getting started wizard ever completed, so let's try it one more time. I'm only going to do the call manager. I'm going to hold off on scroll down fails. Okay, well, I didn't know that it was installed. Okay. So now we go to infrastructure setup. Okay, so now let's go back to infrastructure setup. Alright, looks like it's showing. Alright, so I went to getting started wizard, completed that. Now I'm in the infrastructure setup. And what I didn't notice was if I click the little plus sign, pops up this menu. That was like a hidden nugget, right? Start infrastructure synchronization. And now it's been started. And I guess I should start a user synchronization too. It's not, no. So user start error. What's IPT 0600? All right, now the user synchronization is at 5%. So while it's synchronizing, let's view the detailed log. Lots of details there, isn't there? Okay, back to all right, completed here. All right, so I created a domain. I'm creating a role right now. I'm creating a role just calling what did I name it? Employee sales 7945. Now can I add a number? Ooh, this is scary. What is this? Prefix. What's the minimum length? Is it going to gripe because there's no prefix? 0. 4. What's the block size? Let's hit the upgrade button and just see what happens. So we go to reports, we go to communications manager. Give me a report for this guy. And it gives me Cisco Unified Reporting. I wouldn't call this reports. You know what I mean? So endpoint model. Search. Look at this. Cool. So I'll go to deploy, user provisioning. I'll say we're going to add a new user. His ID is going to be delete me one. Yeah, let's hit the domain, which I think is 7945. Okay. Last name, delete me one, delete. I'm not going to put any of this other stuff in here. Well, I'm thinking it's going to auto allocate one from this. I won't need to assign a phone number because it'll allocate it from this domain block of 4,000. Remember, I did actually, I think 1900, 19 something. I made a range of numbers. So let's just see what happens. And he's going to be an employee. Auto provision. Oh, what does this mean? Save and begin provisioning. Why can't I auto provision them though? Source provisioning. Ooh. Let's add a line. Octo line. So you just give them a range of numbers and then they're auto assigned. Continue. I think I assigned the user from the previous page. So I guess that's a way of crashing it. I added a user, and instead of adding it, it looks like it crashed and went back to the logon screen. Yeah, and as I look here, it didn't create the user in Call Manager. All right, so let's deployment details 1. Okay, so nothing ever happened. Let's try it again. Oh, well, here's this guy. What happened? Status being provisioned. Sorry about that. Took a sip of water and went down the wrong pipe. So let's see if it's being provisioned. Checking in Call Manager, the user has been created. BAT and then a random number. hitting the refresh button, it shows that order 1 has been completed. So can I add a note? Don't see a way how to add it, but alright, so I go to device phone and I search for devices that begin with BAT. And it's created the phone and call manager. Alright, so I'm going back to Prime Collaboration Provisioning. And let's just go to Search Histories. Search. The order shows there. Can I deploy a date time group? It's just blank. I'm not clear what's supposed to be happening here. Oh, just pulls up the call manager search. Coming back to the home page of Provisioning Manager, is some interesting. I've got 258 endpoints. Guess the license is good for up to 1,000. Messaging processors. That's kind of odd. There's only a pub and a sub. Logged in users. Thinks there's 2 logged in, just me. And locked users. I guess this is accounts locked. And there's that 179.45 I deployed. Did notice if I go to Unified Communication Services, it's kind of interesting. I guess if it's want to suck down data from LDAP and upload it to Call Manager, I guess if you're not LDAP synchronized, and then here's a TMS can be pushed to the endpoints as well. All right, so I went to Administration, Licensing, Advanced Evaluation, Small OVA. No idea what this does. Guess I can configure Prime for single sign-on. purging data files. Okay, you have to put it in maintenance mode to delete call processors, messaging processors, domains, and service areas. Guess that locks the database. Yeah, I guess this is the equivalent of DRS. Tell it I'm in -6. Oh, notice when it has a problem, it just goes straight back to this login screen. Alright, so we log back in. After it crashed, I guess it went to the sign. What's e-learning? Oh, I'm gonna have to watch some of these videos. Alright, so that's Prime licensing in a nutshell. I'll get a little more deeper into this and create, sounds like I need to create more infrastructure templates around my call manager, users, things like domains and stuff like that.